So I'm making this video because I am trying to make a merge collector for my Miata. Also found out that I'm stuck in the house for another month, so what better time than now? Anyway, I've made two. I have this really janky setup that I'm not supposed to use on a miter saw. The cuts down on the side here, like so. Got a couple boards holding it in place. I marked 90 degrees using this guy. Got a couple marks on it you can't really see. Mark 90 degrees so I know where to turn it. Yeah, that's about it. Kind of instructions on the miter saw say don't cut metal, so I'm pretty sure that I'm not supposed to do that.
Perfect.
Alright, making them all 5 1/8 long. And the pain in the ass part is I have to undo everything and put it all back together. So I was afraid this was going to happen. I think I used a 10-inch blade last time, and this is a 12-inch blade now. So I'm thinking that's messing everything up and not lining quite right. Which is a bummer because I only have so much pipe. I think I may have done it. It goes together. There's a little bit of gaps, but I think I can make that work. And that's all I'm done. Sticking tape. Alright, I am gonna have to clean all this up, and I'm gonna try to make a bevel on the side. I don't have a belt sander, so I'm just gonna do it by hand, which is gonna suck, but it'll save me money. Alright, so got these all naked and ready to weld, so I will try to get these all to stay together and weld them together. and hopefully that goes well. Alright, 2 halves. Hopefully that's good.
Perfect. Perfect.
Alright, I got it all together. Unfortunately, the last piece isn't exactly perfect. That point down the middle isn't exactly perfectly aligned. You can see a little bit of gap there. But I think it'd be weldable and doable, hopefully. So we'll see. Alright, so I'm gonna measure this distance, measure it on here, the zip tied to guide my pen to where I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna try to freehand cut it with this, and hopefully I can get it flat enough. So let's see if we can do that.
Perfect.
Got it all together. I'll have to clean all those spot welds. They're ugly. I was using flux core wire. And got a nice big hole at the bottom. There to go there. And I think what I'm just gonna do is get a Dremel and match it on the inside of that. So there isn't a lip. Alright, so I'm gonna get this thing all kind of situated on there. Update on my welding. Looks like dog shit. But hopefully there's enough dog shit that it will hold. I'm gonna grind all that back. The top looks awful. Kind of just filled that whole thing in, so I don't know. I'm not feeling so confident about this holding up, but we'll see. I didn't drive the car very much. Okay, well, I finished. Doesn't look great. Hopefully it will hold up. I don't know. Yeah. That's it. Oh god, those look awful. There's one really good one in here somewhere. Maybe not. Maybe I thought there was. That looks kind of good right there. Oh god, that looks like a fucking mess. Alright, well, that's it. Made a merch collector. Not the prettiest, but cheaper than like $60 or $50 for one, so. And I had fun doing it. I got nothing else going on, stuck at home. Next thing's got all that exhaust off.